Hello, welcome to 3S Macro Class. In our last session, we talked about how to connect a water pump to its controller. We'll show you again some hands-on experience along the way. So, after completing the connection and putting it into use, have you encountered any issues? Today, we'll focus on common pump failures during operation and dive into effective solutions. 1. Power-up issues. This is the most common problem. These usually show up as the controller's indicator light is off or blinking, the water pump won't start. If this happens, here's what you should check. Step 1. Check if the power input voltage is stable and meets the controller's rated voltage requirements. Step 2. Use a multimeter to check for short circuits or open circuits. Step 3. Verify the bearing order of the pump's power cable to avoid the phase sequence errors that may prevent backup. Step 4. Ensure the controller's output voltage matches the pump's requirements to prevent voltage abnormalities from affecting operation. Step 5. Check for overload. Clean the filter or unclog the pipe to reduce the starting current and ease the pump's load. 2. Pump running issues. If your pump starts and then suddenly stops, or if it runs unsteadily, for example, pressure fluctuations, strange noises, here's what to do. If this type of fault occurs, follow the troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check if the signal components are functioning properly. Replace them if damaged. Step 2. Inspect the mechanical condition. Clear any blockages in the pump and tablet and readjust the load. Step 3. Check for unstable flow. Adjust the operating parameters if necessary. Step 4. Reset the pump control system's protection parameters to ensure they match the actual pump operation. 3. Unexpected protection triggers. If the system frequently triggers overload protection under normal conditions, it may be due to a poorly designed controller protection mechanism lacking inverse time protection logic. This is usually caused by pump overload, motor component failure, unstable power voltage. So, the troubleshooting steps are as follows. Step 1. Check the pump's mechanical components, such as adjusting the tightness of the coupling, clearing blockages, and properly adjusting the flow to reduce the pump load. Step 2. Replace damaged motor components promptly. Step 3. If the power supply voltage is unstable, install a voltage regulator if necessary to ensure a stable power supply. In short, regular maintenance of your equipment is the best way to minimize the occurrence of breakdowns. That's it for today's talk. What pump failures have you encountered? Feel free to leave your questions in the comments section. See you next time!